Good morning, buddies. Welcome back to writing. Last week we began to explore opinion writing. Opinion writing is the kind of writing in which an author gives their opinion or tells the reader what he or she thinks or feels about something, and that usually includes reasons that explain the author's thinking. Today you'll hear another example of opinion writing, and you'll write more opinion pieces. This story is called Reading Makes You Feel Good. Based on the title, what is this author's opinion of reading? That's right, his opinion is that reading makes you feel good. Now, I bet this story will give lots of reasons why the author, Todd Parr, thinks that writing makes you feel good. Let's go ahead and give it a read, and as I read, I want you to be listening closely for the reasons that the author gives for his opinion that reading makes you feel good. Here we go. Reading makes you feel good because. Now, because, friends, in opinion writing is a key word. Because lets you know that a reason is going to be coming up. The author is going to explain why he thinks reading makes you feel good next. Here we go. You can imagine you are a brave princess or a scary dinosaur. Help, save me. Grr, grr, grr. You can learn about cool places and people. You can make a new friend. And you can do it anywhere. Reading makes you feel good because. Now, buddies, before we go to the next page, what are some of the reasons that the author gives that reading makes you feel good so far? Whispered into your shoulder, reading makes you feel good because you can do it anywhere. Or tell an adult or family member around you why this author thinks reading makes you feel good. You can learn how to make pizza. You can find your favorite animal at the zoo. Oh, here's the zoo, and look at all these signs that have different words on them. You can make someone feel better when they are sick. You can travel to faraway places. And you can do it anywhere. Reading makes you feel good because you can do it all by yourself. I know you all can read all by yourself. You can learn how to take care of your pet. You can follow signs on the road. You can share a book with anyone. And you can do it anywhere. Reading is important. When you read or when someone reads to you, it helps you learn and discover new things. Curl up with someone special and read a book. You'll feel really good. Love, Todd. Remember, Todd is the author. Here's P.S. See if you can read all the words I put in the pictures. Oh, buddies, I don't know if we can read all the words, but let's give it a shot on this page. Ooh, I see one here, hospital. The next one says shelter, that's like a home, library, and school. So many different words that you can read. And this author's opinion is what about reading? How does he feel about reading? That's right. He feels that reading makes you feel good. And he gave many reasons for that opinion in this story. So what I'd like you to do now, buddy, is I would like you to think of things that make you feel good to do while you're at home. What's one thing you like to do while you're at home? Let's see. I already brainstormed. I thought in my private brain for a little while and I wrote down a list. So let me share my list with you. Cleaning makes me feel good. Playing with my cat who's right here meowing away. And drawing also makes me feel good. But in my opinion, I think that cleaning is the best activity to do at home. Now, do you have to agree with my opinion? No, you sure don't. Goliath, do you agree with my opinion? I don't think he does. I think he agrees with this, playing with my cat. So here we go. I've came up with my opinion that cleaning makes me feel good at home. It's the best activity I can do. So what I'm going to do now that I've decided that cleaning is the best thing I can do at home is I'm going to write about it. I'm going to use an opening sentence that really, let me get on the floor so I can show you, that really states my opinion. So my opening sentence might go something like this. I'll start by writing a sentence that tells my opinion. All right, here's my paper. All right, cleaning I started with a capital. Cleaning my house is the best. I've been working on my finger spaces. Do you see that you can read each word clearly because I've left enough room in between each word? Cleaning my house is the best activity I capitalize the letter I because that's a specific person. I stands for me. Best activity I can do at home because, here's that word because. Because means I'm about to give you a reason why cleaning is the best activity I can do at home. Because it makes me feel good when everything I ran out of space in that line, so I'm going to the next, is in its own special place. Wow, I've done such a nice job practicing my finger spaces. I hope you can all read my writing clearly. Let's begin from, sometimes I read the work over again to make sure it all makes sense. So let's try that with your work and you can follow along with me. Cleaning my house is the best activity I can do at home because it makes me feel good when everything is in its own special place. I ended that sentence with a period. I'm looking good so far. So I'm working on writing my opinion on why cleaning is the best thing I can do at home. While I finish my writing, I'd like you to start your own writing. So what do you begin with? Here it is. You begin with your brainstorming list. Tell me, what activity do you like to do the best at home? In your opinion, what's the best thing you can do? Write those ideas down and then circle an idea and begin writing about it. I wonder if you think drawing is the best thing you can do at home. I wonder about all of your opinions. So please begin to share your opinion with me and others. First, use an opening sentence telling me what your opinion is. And then use the word because. Because lets me know there's a reason for your opinion coming. All right, friends, that's the end of this lesson. I will see you in writing soon. Bye.